Hi Manushi, welcome to this feedback interview session. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, Manushi has recently completed her cybersecurity CEH certification and training with I-MEDITA. She has also passed her CEH certification in the first attempt. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about her experience during the training, why she opted for cybersecurity CEH certification, and how was her experience during the examination as well. Hi Manushi, welcome again, and let's get started.
Yeah, thank you.
So can you please tell us a little bit about yourself, your background into the IT industry, what all education you have done, please?
Yeah, my background is in commerce, but from last 3 years, I'm in IT field,
Okay.
and it started from the CCNA. So I joined CCNA in 2021. And later on, I joined the CEH program with the I-MEDITA. And due to some personal reasons, I just give us some little bit break in this. But later on, I just continue with I-MEDITA again.
Okay.
And after completing my this course with this institute, they helped me in this exam, CEH exam, which is a very commendable. They provide me some like some topics, like you just read this, and some topics you will cover in this, and you maybe pass. Just try to complete this. So I just started, like they guide me according to, and I complete my exam, and in a first attempt I just passed because of this institute, and especially to the Mr. Shaurabh sir,
Okay. Thank you. So
because of
why
him.
you opted for CH? Are you already working in cybersecurity domain? Like what was the reason and motivation behind the CA certification?
Yeah, no, I was not aware of this CEH program before. Before my husband is in this field, so I
Okay.
just look him and how he is working, how he's in comfortable in this field. So he guide me, like you have to do CCNA first, you have to do this, and according to his guidance, I am just doing this and this that. All because of my husband, I'm just doing this.
Great, great. And how was your overall experience during the training program with us?
Yeah, because of I'm new in IT field, it's tough for me. It's not a question about this, because all the terminology or the networking, everything, it's a new for me. But the first time I read, it's a new, but second time, third time, as soon as I completed everything, I just familiar with all these things, and now I'm comfortable with this field, and
Okay.
now I can say I'm certified ethical hacker.
Great. Many congratulations for passing this global examination. This will definitely help you in your cybersecurity career domain. I would like to know from your end because this CEH training with I-MEDITA is your first training with us, right?
Yeah, it's the first training. And this also, I someone told me about your institute. Like this institute is good, and by the my husband, his friend, one of his friend is joined already your institute. So from them, I got to know about your institute.
Okay, great. And you took classes from which instructor?
Not YouTube. It's not a particular. I'm just go through, like I search, and someone is coming good and good rating. I just read it. Not just
Uh,
particular one. I'm ready.
I'm sorry, my question was from which instructor you took classes with I-MEDITA? Like you joined which instructor's classes, which trainer's classes?
From you, from your institute.
Yes.
Actually, I
You
don't
took, you took
remember.
classes with Mr. Yuvraj or Mr. Sudhanshu? You joined which instructor's live class?
Yuvraj,
Okay.
Yuvraj, sir.
Okay. So how was your experience with Mr. Yuvraj? Like, did he
Yeah,
help you during the training and the labs as well?
yeah, he was good by giving a teaching, and after the classes he just solved all the queries, and even after the classes he just tell us that send me a message, send me email. On that he also help us,
Okay.
so
And
he's good.
how did you manage to do the classes? Because you are already working professional. So how did you manage your work schedule, family, and your learning schedules?
So I just took classes Saturday, Sunday. So it's manageable, and at a night I'm just doing. So it's manageable and comfortable timing they giving us, like you can take a daytime, you can take a night time. So I just choose night time
Okay,
according to my convenience.
great. Based on your training and experiences with I-MEDITA, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
Yeah, it's 9.5, sir.
Okay,
So
great. Thank you. And do you have any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we can improve our training program maybe in future? Any suggestion from your end?
like one suggestion I have, so keep updating about the job on a WhatsApp app and WhatsApp group, so we can search nicely. And one of your link is available for your job portal, so that also I'm worry about that. It's sometime it's not working, so I'm just one thing. I'm just
So recently, what we have done, we have created one WhatsApp group as well and one Telegram group as well. We will share you those details. You can join those groups as well.
yeah, okay.
But still, thank you
So
for the suggestion. We wish you all the very best again. Thank you for giving us your time, Manushi. All the best for your upcoming cybersecurity career.